Bhagwan Buddha is not an alien. By no means is he any alien. Nor is he an enemy. In fact, he is the manifestation of the internal strength of ours. He is the serene gist of all our being, just like what we might appear after being fully blossomed. Buddha is but a replica of that. In fact, we are the underdeveloped image of him, and he is the fully developed result of ours. The Mahabodhi Mahavihara, located at Bodh Gaya and famous throughout the world for the message it has given of world peace, equality and freedom from suffering. For this reason, it is a serene location for the disciples of the Buddha Dhamma. Which is why the flow of Buddhist followers keeps incessantly pouring in here. At the entry, there are two bells placed over the east-facing entrance of the Mahabodhi Mahavihara, made by blending 8 precious metals. The bhikkhus of Myanmar donated them to the Mahabodhi Mahavihara in their original form and were installed here on the full moon day of Vaishakha month of 1889. These bells were being used to let the bhikkhus understand the exact hour or time of the day. Toran is a method of greeting and welcoming Buddha by the kings of the various places wherever Buddha went. All the kings welcomed him as a princely guest. This temple is known as the Buddha Pada. Inside this temple, there is a standing statue of Buddha, and his footsteps have been carved on the rocks in front. General Cunningham discovered 3 rooms called Pandav Mandir in front of the main entrance of the Mahabodhi Mahavihara, along with the statues and stupas during his excavation efforts. These rooms too have been made by following the home development schemes implemented during the ancient reign of the Magad state. Several Bodhisattva statues are located in these rooms, which are taken care of by the Brahmin priests. The broken statues, idols and other pieces of sculpture discovered during the excavation effort have been kept on the right-hand side of the main entrance of the Mahabodhi Mahavihara after adequately decorating the same. This construction of Mahabodhi Mahavihara is actually a stupa of 50 feet height constructed by the Emperor Ashoka. Later it was the King Pal from Bengal who developed it further to the height of 180 feet as one gets to see it today. On all the 4 directions surrounding the Mahabodhi Mahavihara, various fundamental idols of Buddha with variety of expressions on his face has been kept. Emperor Ashoka constructed a stone boundary wall in all directions of the surroundings of the Mahabodhi Mahavihara and the Bodhi tree with beautiful carvings made on them. This boundary wall is known as the Ashoka railing. Among the Mahayana sect of Buddhism, a tradition is followed to decorate with pieces of cloth called pataka to symbolize the expectations or unfulfilled desires.